Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Saumya, aka Pretty Paperback, and by the title of the video, you already know what this video is going to be about. So I was supposed to clean my bookshelf during Diwali cleaning, but it seemed such an overwhelming task. Bringing out all the books, cleaning the shelf, and then putting all the books back into the rack. I mean, I love books, don't get me wrong. I love my books and I love my bookshelf. But cleaning, it's not my field. So I was putting this task off my to-do list for past 1 month. I was procrastinating because it seems such an overwhelming task. And I think the only way I'm going to complete this is by recording myself. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to clean my bookshelf, and in a meanwhile I will also show you all the books that I own. So guys, I was playing my podcast, I was cleaning my bookshelf, I was cleaning my books as well. So it was supposed to be all therapeutic and romanticizing your life, and it was all supposed to be the free therapy. No, my brain randomly decided to pop this idea that what if a lizard or a family of lizard is chilling behind the books? Like, what if they thought that, oh, she doesn't clean that often, so let's build our home behind the books. And what if she's living behind the books along with the family, and I randomly decide to pull one book out and they all are just wondering, oh, what happened then, and they all are running in different directions, and then I will die of heart attack. And since then I am mustering up the courage to clean the rest of the shelf. I mean, I can clean, but I want somebody to come and just pull out all the books from my shelf, because I'm not going to do that. I believe in multiverse, and I want to live in the universe where lizards don't exist. I mean, I can live in a world where cat is the king or the queen and the princess and she's ruling the world, and I can live in a world where dogs are like triple the size they are, and I can live in any universe except the lizard one. Guys, there is no lizards.
Your skin, hair, none of that. You can check the link.
So all the books are on the floor right now, and I need to clean the shelf, and after that I will show you each and every book before I put them on the rack, okay? So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, then make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.